This is a review of the Gorilla Tape that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this Gorilla Tape. So I use this Gorilla Tape for all types of uses, and same as you guys know, you guys could also use this for a lot of scenarios and situations. Now, I do want to say that this is for indoor and outdoor use, and you can use this for indoors and outdoors, and it is for all types of weather as well too, and it withstands UV rays as well too. So it's a, sun UV rays, and you could also use this in the snow as well too. So it's all types of weather you could use this. And this is a double adhesive on the back, so it is very, very sticky. That is one thing I do want to say about this Gorilla Tape. And one thing I love about this Gorilla Tape is that you don't have to use scissors to cut it. You could also, you could use your hand to pretty much, do the cutting, and you don't have to use scissors. So that's a huge plus about the Gorilla Tape. But other than that, I would definitely recommend the Gorilla Tape because it could be used for all types of scenarios. Like if you have a ball to cover like a basketball, then you could use that to cover it up with the tape. There's, a lot of stuff you could use this for. Now for me, I'm going to use this for my installation for my pipes to keep everything secure. So no pipes or anything like that burst or anything like that, to protect it from the snow and from the freeze. And this could be used for a lot of scenarios. Like you could use this for installation, you could use this for a lot of scenarios, like a lot of things that could be done with this Gorilla Tape. So yeah, if you're looking for a Gorilla Tape that could be used for a lot of scenarios or for indoors and outdoor uses, then I would definitely recommend the Gorilla Tape because of the fact that it is very universal and it could be used for all types of scenarios. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product.